Niçoise salad with seared tuna. Imagine a dish that combines fresh, vibrant ingredients with the richness of seared tuna, bringing the essence of the Mediterranean straight to your plate. Niçoise salad with seared tuna is a perfect harmony of flavors and textures, offering a satisfying meal that is both healthy and indulgent. Niçoise salad originated in the sunny city of Nice, France, where fresh produce and simple yet bold flavors define the cuisine. Traditionally, it features tuna, green beans, potatoes, tomatoes, olives, and hard-boiled eggs, all brought together with a light vinaigrette. But by using seared tuna instead of canned, we elevate this classic into a gourmet experience. To serve 2 people, you will need 2 fresh tuna steaks, about 6 ounces each, 6 small baby potatoes, halved, 1 cup green beans, trimmed, 1 cup cherry tomatoes, halved, 1/4 cup Niçoise or Kalamata olives, 2 hard-boiled eggs, halved, 2 cups mixed greens, 1/4 cup red onion, thinly sliced, 1 tablespoon capers, optional, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon red wine vinegar, 1 tablespoon fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon honey, salt and pepper, to taste, half a teaspoon fresh thyme or basil. Start by boiling the baby potatoes until fork tender, then blanch the green beans in the same pot for a few minutes until bright green and crisp. Meanwhile, prepare the vinaigrette by whisking together olive oil, Dijon mustard, red wine vinegar, lemon juice, honey, salt, and pepper. For the tuna, season both sides with salt, pepper, and a drizzle of olive oil. Sear in a hot skillet for about 1 to 2 minutes per side until golden brown but still pink in the center. Let it rest before slicing thinly. To assemble the salad, arrange the mixed greens as a base. Layer the potatoes, green beans, cherry tomatoes, olives, red onion, and eggs. Place the seared tuna slices on top and drizzle generously with the vinaigrette. Garnish with fresh thyme or basil for an aromatic finish. This salad is a powerhouse of nutrients, packed with protein, healthy fats, and fiber. The crisp vegetables contrast beautifully with the tender tuna, while the dressing ties everything together with a tangy, slightly sweet finish. It's an ideal meal for a light yet fulfilling lunch or dinner. With such a simple preparation, this dish brings an effortless elegance to your table. Whether you're hosting a summer gathering or treating yourself to a wholesome meal, this Niçoise salad with seared tuna will never disappoint. What's your favorite way to enjoy tuna? Do you prefer it seared, grilled, or raw?